Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to actually find or filter posts by categories. So guys, to do that, make sure that you have opened your dashboard on wordpress.com/wp-admin. It will open this page for you, which is something like that. Put your username, email address, and here the password, which is something like that. Now we open this page. Now how can you actually filter the post by categories? Now it is pretty simple. First of all, you can click on all posts and then create a category. For us, we have, for example, food, and here we add food and a new category. Now we go to posts and create a new post from here, and let's, for example, pizza, and here pizza again. What you gotta do here is go to documents, and from here you can edit it. And as well, as I said, now what we are going to focus on is the categories. Here guys, you can add any categories you'd like to do. For example, here is the food category that we have already made before. You can actually add the category from here directly by doing something like that, and just like so. You can add new category, for example, Italian. Add new category, and here it is. Now it is add on food add category in Italian category. Now if we click on publish, view post, and let's wait a little bit. Here is the category showed in here, food Italian. If we clicked on it, it will not show anything because we don't have any posts in there. But yeah, that's how you can actually filter posts by categories, add categories or create new categories. And yeah guys, so thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye guys.